if you want to prosper and you want to succeed in what you do in this very beautiful year of 2026, ngiyacela wenze isiqinisekiso ukuthi ungibhekela lezi zinto ezizokwenza ukuthi uphumelele, futhi mawungazenzi zingaze iphazamisa impumelelo yakho. Lokho ukuthi uzokuachieve ngo-2026 ngo-2025 uzibone nango-2026 ungakwenzanga, ngoba kunezinto uNkulunkulu ayikhuluma kuwe wena wangazenza. Number 1, you must make sure ukuthi you never delay obedience. Njalo uNkulunkulu mayekhuluma kuwe ekutshela into ethi kumele uyenze, never delay obedience. Mayisekhulumile uNkulunkulu wathi yisho lokhu, make sure ukuthi wenza njengalokhu uNkulunkulu ekutshelile, ngoba abanye izibusiso zabo zabanjwa ukuthi wathi uNkulunkulu abenza 1 and 2 then they delayed, bangenza njengolokhu uNkulunkulu ethe abenze. Kuneminye iminyango abantu ebavalekele ngoba they fail to be obedient to the Lord. uNkulunkulu wathi mabenza 1 and 2 abenze le sacrifice, bangamlalela uNkulunkulu and they postponed obedience. So this year uNkulunkulu ekunikeze instruction, just do as the Lord say. Uthi Lord, let your will be done. Noma ngabe kuthiwa intando yakhe ibhlungu kangakanani, but let his will be done in your life, so that konke okucelayo kuzohamba ngendlela. Ngoba amanye ama breakthroughs abanjwe disobedience, amanye ama blessings abanjwe disobedience, amanye ezinye impendulo ngabe zafika kodwa abanye baba ne disobedience, bangalalela. Ngakho this year, never disobey what the Lord says and never delay ukulalela uNkulunkulu. Mayithi yenza manje, do as the Lord instruct. Enye into engakwenza ukuthi ungaphumeleli, ungaboni amandla kaNkulunkulu kulonyaka, it is faith without action. Mawusuqedile ukuthandazela ukuthi ufuna ukuba ne degree, wake up and do ama applications. Mawusuqedile ukuthandazela ukuthi ufuna ukuba ne business, wake up and do business plan. Mawusuqedile ukuthandazela ukuthi ufuna ukuba ne license, wake up and look for a driving school. Ungabi nokukholwa ungenayo imisebenzi. Lithi iBhayibheli in the book of James chapter 2 verse 17, faith without works is dead. Ngakukholwa kwakho makube nemsebenzi. Don't just pray and sit down, pray and work. Thandaza, ukholwe bese uyasebenza, kube khona okwenzayo. Nyakaza, uthi ufuna ukulobola kulonyaka, after praying phela start saving money so that you can see what you are praying for manifesting into life. Ngakho mawufuna ukuphumelela, your faith must be followed with actions. Makube khona into oyenzayo. Mawufuna futhi ukuphumelela, make sure ukuthi you are careful with your association. Ugada abantu ohlangana nabo no associate nabo kulonyaka, ngoba abanye they will come and water your journey, but some will come and poison your journey. So qaphela ukuthi obani abantu skima nabo, obani abantu spenda nabo isikhathi esiningi, ngoba abanye they don't come to elevate you, but they come to abort your vision and your dreams. So be careful who you spend your time with. Abanye futhi ngabekade baphumelela uNkulunkulu wabaphakamisa, but because of their association, i-association yabo babuyisele emumva. Ngakho be careful ukuthi who do you associate yourself kulonyaka, ngoba i-association oyoyenza ingase iphazamise icebo likaNkulunkulu ngempilo yakho. Okugcina, as we are starting off, make sure that you have a renewed mind. Umqondo wakho mawuguqulwe, isimo somqondo wakho ungacabangi njengo-2025 kodwa ku-2026. Change your mindset. Shintsha ukucabanga kwakho, indlela ocabanga ngayo makube indlela ekhulile ematured, ukuze uzobona i-progress and success unfolding in your life. Mawenze njalo, ngiyakuthembisa uNkulunkulu kukhona azokwenza empilweni yakho. My name is Phumlani Nkwanyana. You are blessed, you are favored, and you are set apart. Good morning, Mega Grace Nation.